Ashton, and this is my sister Kylie.
Hi.
And Cassidy.
Say hi. Hi.
Look over there.
Hi.
And right now we're going to do some unboxing because we got something in the mail. We're going to unbox it.
Yeah. It's going to be so cool.
It says to Ashton, Kylie, and Cassidy Shipley.
Where's it from?
And it looks like it's from
This is
Canada.
mine.
Ready? You want to open
Let's
it?
open it. This is mine. Surprise eggs!
Look at that.
This one is probably
I guess we're gonna do
This
two.
one's probably mine.
Wait, so
Actually, this is everyone.
2 for Kylie, 1 for Cassidy, 2 for me. Okay,
Let's
ready?
open it.
So I guess we're gonna do.
Open them. Can you open it? Let's open them.
So I guess we're gonna do 2 things in one video.
I do it. Yeah.
Okay, first it's Cassidy's turn to open the
And
surprise.
put the chocolate in here.
Yeah, put the chocolate in there.
So we can eat it later.
Oh look, there's a toy.
Cassidy's is first. I cannot. There's so many.
Then it's Kylie's turn, then my turn.
Here, Cass, open the egg.
Get your boxes ready and open.
Hold on, guys. Hold on.
I can do it. I can also do it.
Okay.
Right now, we're just having a little.
Here, you gotta open this one. I can't do it.
I can do it.
I don't know open it. I'm so excited.
I got that
to
one
open
first here.
mine.
What is it? Look at that.
Oh, it's a ring.
So Cassidy got some sort of ring.
And now it's my turn. And now it's my turn. And then mine. Oh, mine.
I have one that's already open.
I'm going to choose this one.
We never got to do this. Ever.
Yeah.
It's our first time.
Yeah. So excited. So excited.
What's that here?
Give me chocolate. Ooh.
Okay, I opened mine.
It's a
And
ring.
I opened mine.
The egg is inside there. Here, Cass, right here. She's so excited.
Cassidy,
Don't yell, don't yell.
this is Kiki's. Here, here's yours.
She's so excited. She doesn't even care
Cassidy,
about
go
it.
over there.
Here, open your egg. Okay, Kylie, open yours.
Oops. Wait, how did my pack get over there? Here's my chocolate.
Oh, this is so cute. It's like a little hamster.
It's like a little, what is that? Ferret?
Oh,
It's like a little ferret.
Here's
still
Cassidy's second
there.
one.
oh, I think
This
this
guy,
is
let's
for.
put them together.
And mine.
This is your
Oh
other one.
my gosh. I guess I'm gonna have some
This is awesome.
building to do.
Here, you gotta build this guy.
That's mine.
Uh-huh.
It's like some sort of polar bear.
Here, let's open another one.
Oh, it's so cute.
And put it together.
It comes in 3 pieces. It's all snapped together, looks like that. In 3 pieces, the head.
Here, look, 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 look. Cassidy, look.
You need help?
Cassidy, let her open another one, guys.
Oh,
Cassidy, look what you got. Oh, wait, this goes here.
Let's just open this.
Cassidy, here, look it. Just let her open the egg. She doesn't care about the little yellow part. She's supposed to open the egg.
Okay, let Cassidy open the egg, okay?
Some of them.
You can open the
Here,
little
look at-
toys. Cassidy, here's some eggs to open.
oh my gosh, look at this. Oh, I'm so happy.
Cassidy, eggs to open.
I got a little kitty in a basket. So cute.
Our thing's almost full.
We eat this.
Look at this.
Oh, let's go.
Oh my gosh. What is it?
Whoa.
I have no idea what this is. Let me see.
So I got a little kitty cat. So cute.
Cassidy, look.
Oh.
Cassidy, look at this girl.
What is this one?
scissors, please, Daddy.
Okay.
This is.
That's
So I'm gonna
Kylie's.
put these all together. What?
That was Kylie's.
Just gonna do the little sneaky to get this thing open to see what it is.
what? This is mine.
Oh, look at that! It's a stamp. So cool.
Little stamp. Cool.
It's like a little
And this is
dragon.
mine.
Cassie got a blue one too, a little puppy.
And this is mine.
Really?
You can open it.
Okay.
Mine's like a little cat thingy. I don't know what it is.
Oh my gosh, what is this? What is this?
Oh, this thing's their tail. I didn't see that.
Oh.
See that?
Oh.
All of those. There's
I can't
that.
put this together.
Here, if you hand it to me, I can put it together.
Here's here, let's put all our toys up here.
Okay, here. Here, Mom.
You have to give me the instructions. too.
Whoa! This is cool. Cool. Actually, I don't think we're supposed to get.
This one's supposed to have decals.
You like eating the chocolate?
Hmm?
Is it yummy?
Oh, so we're supposed to spin them. Look, we're supposed to spin them.
Spinners.
I
Okay. What
don't.
Cassidy can open the eggs.
Hey, look at here.
Okay, what I just got, Cassie. Kylie, just let her open the eggs.
Now let Kylie open one too. She likes to open.
Cassie, look. I got hair. Wait, are these hair things?
No.
I got a bracelet, I think. Cassidy,
Look, here's one right here for you to open.
it's not open yet. Open it.
Look it. Open this one.
This one's
Oh,
No. Kylie needs a turn.
oh, I just figured out what this is.
What is it?
See what I'm building right now? It's just a little ball. Two more pieces to go.
Make sure you save all the papers so we can put everything together.
We will.
Because one of these is missing its decals and I don't know where it went.
Which one?
This little robot thing.
I bet I can figure out how to
No.
put that together.
Yeah, but it has stickers that I can't find the stickers.
Oh my gosh, these are like little pictures.
Wait, Kylie, which one did the robot go in?
Oh my gosh, let's see this.
This is the robot.
So fun.
This is the little lemur one.
This is so
The kitty in the basket. Kylie, what are these? Look, these are little collector stickers items. I think you're supposed to peel those off and put them on. Make sure they're the right one, those. Yeah, look at that. Whole bunch of them.
I can't.
No, they might
figured
be
this out.
glue. They're stickers, but we're not going to do that yet. Put these up here.
Gosh, can we get the chocolate?
Now here's my little ball.
This is
Not fully put together
It's
yet.
already got cracky. Wait, cracky. Cracky. Oops, get away. Come on.
There it is.
Back up.
Now, is there any more to open?
Get it cracky.
Here.
No, this is just for mine. Okay. Cool.
This is awesome. I love this thing.
This one is tricky to open.
Oh.
Oh, look at that. Another polar bear.
Huh?
Oh, look at that. I got another polar bear.
Oh.
And now, it looks like these polar bears are like the best ones to put together.
Hey, let me see.
Oh, do you want me to help you build that?
No, I want to look at this.
Hey, Mom. You want me to build that robot for you?
Let me see. Let me see. So it looks like you have to put this here.
Yeah.
And
Lots of little tiny pieces.
Oh.
One thing I don't wait. What just that?
I dropped some.
I did nothing.
Oh, these are just spinny tops.
What?
Musical tops. This is a guitar
Yeah, I
and a
figured it
French
out.
horn.
Yeah, Kylie figured that out a
Oh,
few
okay.
minutes ago.
Sorry.
Might have not have heard you. Grab a little bit of that.
Oh my god. It's hard. It's hard.
How do you do this,
So
robot?
hard.
I am a robot. I know how to go ratty.
Cause I am a robot.
Do you need help? Kylie, you were supposed to put this part in first.
No.
Wait.
Let's eat some.
Eat the
Chocolate.
Not
Let's
yet.
eat the chocolate.
Here you go.
Want to eat the chocolate?
Okay, no more. Just a couple pieces.
I was supposed to do this part first, but now it's
All right.
stuck.
After Cassie's done,
Daddy, can you
we
give
gotta
me
say
some
thank you,
swords?
Canada.
Can you give me some
Go ahead.
swords?
Go ahead. I'm just holding it for you.
Stop. Whoa! This is cool. Let me open it.
No, There you go.
No, not that. This piece.
Can you open it?
That part goes apart
Let me try it.
together. Here's one. There's another folder. I found something new.
Let me hold this.
Kylie, let her do it.
Look at mine.
Ooh, let's see.
I got a little bracelet. It's fine.
I know. It's fine.
So how to put it together.
But I know this won't fit on me. Might be even a little ring.
All right, what do you guys say to Canada?
Thank
you.
And our friend Caitlin sent them. She lives in Canada. What do you say?
Thank you.
This is so sweet.